Can ChatGPT create a business model canvas that meets industry standards? In this lesson, we'll review the business model canvas generated by ChatGPT, checking how well it matches the original framework by Alex Osterwalder. If you're a product manager, analyst, or owner, this will show you how to turn AI output into a reliable strategic tool. Let's dive in. I've just ported the content from ChatGPT to the template of business model canvas, and this template have the guidance as well. Each of these callouts, these are the guidance provided by the author of business model canvas. Let's review each of these sections in light of the guidelines. ChatGPT has produced 4 key partners. Publishers. Publisher are the people or the companies who publish books. Authors are the people who actually write books. And payment processors. For example, the credit card payment processor, debit card payment processor, or banks. All those kind of companies and affiliates tend to be used for, say, marketing books. All these 4 key partners. So without reading the guideline, they seem fine to me. Let's quickly look at the guideline as well. Identify external organizations, suppliers, or partners that help the company in various aspects of its business operation. Here we are identifying the external organizations or suppliers or partners who will help the company in selling books. And if you read the guidelines and look at the output generated by ChatGPT, the output seems all right to me in light of the guidance provided by the author for this section. Let's look at the next section, which is key activities. So in key activities, ChatGPT have generated curating book catalog, algorithm refinement, marketing campaign, and user engagement. Just reading through these activities or results seems fine to me because curating books is creating the catalog or talking to these publisher authors and getting their catalog which are relevant to the website. That seems a good key activity to do, or it will take a significant amount of resources and time to do. And it is one of the key thing which this book people company should be doing. Then algorithm refinement, refining the algorithm, which will help in searching, getting the right search result, and all whenever a person is searching a particular book. That kind of algorithm requirement also seems fine. A good activity to me to be included in key activities and marketing campaign, because one of the key aspect of any online business is running successful marketing campaign. So marketing campaign also seems the correct activity, and engaging users who are either potential customers or existing customers. That also seems to have key activity. Let's see the guideline from the author of this framework. Outline the most important activities the company must perform to make its business model work. Here, we have activities the company must be doing to make the business model successful. We have to capture those activities. So based on reading the guidance and the activities both, and the activities generated by ChatGPT, seems fine to me. I don't see any problem in the quality of output of ChatGPT in this scenario. Let's look at the guidance for key resources now. Key resources are, as per the guidance, the list of critical assets, infrastructure, resources required to deliver the value proposition, reach consumers, and operate the business. It is listing the most critical assets without which the business will not exist, including the infrastructure or any other resources which are required to deliver the value proposition to the customer. Let's see whether we have captured the key sources or not. Extensive book database. If we don't have an extensive book database, that means when the potential customer come to our website, they will not have anything to buy. Extensive book catalog seems a key resource to me for this business model. Technology infrastructure. Having that, the website, which is the code of the website or website which is required to run this business. Having the servers which will host the website, having the payment info, connection to the third-party payment APIs, and connection to the couriers or the post service which will deliver these books. Having all that technology infrastructure in place seems key, a right key activity to me. Then recommendation algorithm, that also seems a key resource, because Based on the right recommendation algorithm, the right recommended book will be recommended to potential customer or customers based on the interest of customer, based on their past history of purchases, based on their past browsing history of our website. Then the marketing team, because marketing is one of the key activity for online website, and that's why having a great marketing team seems to be a right key resource to me. The quality of this output also seems fine. I don't think we need to refine anything in this section as well. Let's look at the cost structure. So the guidance of cost structure is break down the cost associated with operating the business. This include fixed cost, variable cost, as well as economies of scale. We have to identify the key cost which will be added in these three buckets: fixed cost, variable cost, and for online business, which is selling books, technology development seems to be the one of the key variable cost as well as fixed cost to me. Then marketing and advertising cost again seems to be running the customer support team or department. The expenses associated with it also seems the right category of cost to be captured here. I don't think this section need any refinement. So we have reviewed this section successfully. In summary, we reviewed ChatGPT generated canvas across 4 areas. Key partners were relevant, key activities aligned well, key resources like tech and data were spot on. Cost structure matched standard categories. Each section aligned with Osterwalder's guidelines. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to assess AI-generated models using expert standards. Next up, we'll review the remaining business model canvas sections. See you there.